Hello viewer, I'm Chris from Learnry. In this video, I'll be sharing a very disturbing news I came across while browsing online, and I think that every web developer and also users of Chrome extensions should know this going forward so that we can all make informed decisions when it comes to the development and consumption of Chrome extensions. So please stick to the end of this video if you'd like to know why Google has taken this decision, what it means for developers or users, and what the future of Chrome extensions look like. So on January 2020, the Google security team indefinitely suspended the publishing and updating of any commercial paid-for Chrome extension on the official Chrome web store, following an increase in the number of paid extensions engaging in fraudulent transactions. Google said that the wave of fraudulent transactions began in early January 2020, and its engineers described the fraudulent transactions as happening at a very large scale. Google did not reveal how the system was currently being abused, though the company has always tried to improve its review process. It would appear that whatever fraudulent activity had been occurring was enough to push the company to suspend all paid Chrome extensions indefinitely. The ban on publishing or updating impacts all paid extensions, which includes Chrome extensions that require paying a fee before installation, extensions that work based on monthly subscriptions, and Chrome extensions that use a one-time in-app purchases to get access to its features. Now, existing commercial extensions are still available for download through the official Chrome web store. However, extension developers can't push new updates to their respective extensions. So, what does this mean to users? Well, any Chrome extension that is offered on a commercial basis, be that a one-off fee, a subscription, or even if it has in-app purchases, will no longer be updated while the ban is in place. Now, new commercial extensions being published to the store cannot also be monetized until the ban is lifted. According to ZNet, existing extensions will still work, but extension developers can't push new updates. Currently, it is unclear as to how long this temporary ban will last. Google has so far only stated that it is working to resolve this as quickly as possible, but does not have a resolution timeline at the moment. So, as it stands, it is clear that this is only a temporary measure and will not be around for the foreseeable future, as Google has so far only stated that it is working to resolve this as quickly as possible, but does not have a resolution timeline at the moment. However, developers can still reapply to have their extensions published, but it will be a more hands-on approach and annoying for developers to release updates. Also, free add-ons are unaffected, and extensions on third-party platforms should also be fine, as this measure only affects Chrome's web store. So thanks for taking the pain to watch the entire video, and if you are new to this channel and found this video informative, then click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon below so that you'll be notified when new videos are uploaded. Bye for now, and I'll see you in the next video.